Hi guys, this is Aparna. We Indians always feel evening tea without snacks is incomplete. If you're looking for some guilt-free snacking options, then you're in the right place. A key ingredient for today's recipes is lotus seeds or makhana. Lotus seeds are highly packed with proteins and nutrients, which makes them an extremely healthy snacking option. Regular consumption of lotus seeds helps slow down the aging process. Today, we're going to make 3 recipes with makhana. The first one, caramel makhana, second one, masala makhana, and the third one, hot and sweet makhana. Switch on the flame and add some ghee to your pan. Once the ghee melts, add makhana. Roast the makhana till it turns slightly brown and crisp. Ingredients for caramel makhana: 1 bowl makhana, 3 to 4 spoons jaggery, 1 tablespoon ghee, and 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. For caramel makhana, add 1 tablespoon ghee to the pan. Once the ghee starts melting, add jaggery. Once the jaggery is melted, add makhana and give it a good toss. Make sure it's well coated. Add roasted sesame seeds. Give it a good mix and take them into a serving plate. Ingredients for masala makhana: 1 cup makhana, 1 teaspoon masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. For masala makhana, add the masala mixture into roasted makhana and toss them. Once they are well coated, take them into a serving bowl. Ingredients for hot and sweet makhana: 1 bowl makhana, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. For hot and sweet makhana, add the chili powder, salt and sugar mixture to the makhana and make sure that they are well coated. Roast them on medium flame and add ghee if necessary. Try them out and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. Until next video, bye bye.